In the previous tutorial, I demonstrated the general view of spectral analysis. Now I want to continue the demonstration. As you can see here, we can compute the group mean, group minimum, group maximum of either real data, imaginary data, or power of phase. And if you want to select some subgroup of the channels, and then you can click update. Here allow you to select either image channel, EEG channel, or good channel, or visible channels. And if you want to select a subgroup of the channels, you can either hide them or say the channel is bad. Once you define them, you just click OK, and then we start to recompute the group channels, and they will tell you how many channels is selected for this. And the next portion of the study I would like to show is the quantification of spectral data. Spectral data can be measured and quantified and then copied and pasted to statistical software or some function like Excel for additional data analysis. We can select the data and then click these buttons to quantify them and then keep the data. For example, if we select this request and then we click SM, means select measure, click, as you can see we got all the data. For this demonstration, we can clean the data, reset, and select again. So as you can see, this is the channel data, and this is the minimum, maximum of frequency. Basic data info. This means data name, channel time, frequency, and minimum, maximum. Here. If you want to manually define here, for example, from 0, time is 0, frequency 0, and end just like this. You can just see the selection. You see the back select this area. That's what we define here. In this case, if you click AM, ask for measure, they will give you the data information of this particular selected data. This particular data to here. You can of course measure all the sensors. That's all the channel with spectral data. You see, it's all the channel. You can just copy and paste. This we select them. Use a Control key, like most of the Control C. You just copy. If you Control X, just cut and paste. Now, suppose we have Excel. Here, if we cut and paste, let's take a cut and paste. Now, paste, import, with that. Next. next. Finish. You see? The data from here is equivalent to here, from 0 to 44. Remember, we got here, exact match here. And once we got all those data here, we can do some statistical analysis or additional advanced study. Analyze here, for example. Okay. Got how they change. You can reset them, set data info. Here again. Now we just measure the current spectrogram. Either use well-defined selection, or you just manually select some of them. You ask them to measure, or you can click all channels. Then we get all the information here. If you are interested in the entire spectrogram, that's the entire and all the data points, in that case you click all spectra. You see here we get all the spectra. There are 600 time points, 600 frequency points. All the data are here. You can copy the data of the time frequency and put for any customized processor. For example, compute the epigenicity index, for example. Do something like that.